Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. If you're not new, thanks for coming back and watch again. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So what's up, sea babies? We are about to zip line. We are in the rainforest, y'all. They're checking in. I already checked in. Y'all excited or y'all scared? Y'all excited or y'all scared?
Oh, I love zip lining.
Shay, how you feeling?
Excited, nervous.
And Chris over there trying to get the child feed.
I'm just gonna go.
But y'all, we're about to go zip lining. I'm super excited. I've been zip lining before, but it was literally one line in Destin, Florida. So here we do 8 lines. So she said we start out gradual, and they really teach us how to zip line. And then like we do like faster ones or higher ones. So I'm really excited. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to bring the camera along as much as I can. I don't know if I can at all, or if they have a video or photo package. So I keep messing with this mask because it's really uncomfortable, and they're really strict here with the mask. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Johnny, good? You good? I'm good.
When I walked down here, I was making sure I ain't do the same thing. I went.
Somebody said it's you.
I know, I look like somebody fell. I said, damn, it's one of us. All right, y'all, we going to the first line. It's a little baby one, I guess. Y'all, this gonna be a workout.
Yeah, really.
These masks killing me. Y'all, this equipment feels so sweaty, it's disgusting. Should have wore a hairnet.
Yeah, I should have fucking wore.
Come on, this is a little one. That's the first line.
Oh, that's little.
Yeah. They say that's our gradual.
Look at us talking this little, we know that deal. Like, oh,
That's why he's gonna right there.
Oh, so he moved? So we got a lift yesterday somewhere, and he actually got this set up for us. And instead of us paying $100 to get out here one way, he offered to take us, and we just paid him. So the price to go one way, we got a round trip, so it worked out. All right, check back in a little bit.
Guys, we are, we getting our workout in.
It's a workout. Y'all, this is a workout. Whoo, child. I'm thinking we just gonna be zip lining. It's a hike, just climbing. Look at this ladder. Whew, hi. I gotta go up. Y'all, we have to climb all the way up there. That's why I said it's a workout. Crystal, you tired? CASHAPP. CASHAPP, you tired and sunburned. Kendra, you tired? Where's Shauna?
What?
How you feel?
I feel good.
All right, y'all, when we get done working out, aka zip lining, we'll be back in a little bit.
gonna be here. How was it? Good?
It was fun.
There you go. Let's go down here, amigo, okay?
This man had told her there was a tiger around here. You scared, Shay? That was amazing. Yeah, Shay, you like it?
Amazing.
That was everything.
Yes.
That was worth that long ass hike.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. That
Yes.
was so amazing.
Look, here comes Shadow. Maybe.
Yeah, we're trying.
Look, we got some more climbing.
We got more to go.
Final line. That motherfucker slow you down. Y'all, this is the final line.
Here comes Cece. Yay! She made it.
How y'all feel?
Amazing.
Y'all like
Everything. It was everything.
it? Look, y'all.
Achieve the goal!
You like it, Shadow? Now for another hike. God dang. Woo. Thank you.
Oh, my Jesus.
Got a workout. Y'all, if y'all come to San Juan, go zip lining in the rainforest. But just beware. It's a hike.
Oh my God.
It's a wait, where we go?
Oh.
We hiking.
Oh shoot. Why the truck can't pick us up? Woo, hold on. Woo, child.
I need to cut this note off.
We all out of shape.
Oh shit.
Chris about to fall. Whew. All right. Okay, trainer.
Alright, push it through.
All right.
Get motivation. I know.
I'll come back in a minute. Y'all, we did it. We're cramped in here. Look at our Uber driver. Hey. He did us a huge favor and drove us out here. So it's hot. Can you take us to Mr. Weenie's? Mr. Weenie's Waffles.
What?
Can you take us to Mr. Weenie's Waffles?
Where?
It's in San Juan, Old San Juan.
Okay.
That's yeah.
What's the name?
Mr. Weenie's Waffles.
Oh my God, that's
Alright, y'all, look how we cramped in here. Look.
right there.
Alright, guys, we'll see you when we get to the next
Oh,
spot.
no, in breakfast, no waffles. You do a waffle in the morning already.
Now we are wore out. Tired, Crystal? Tired. Well, we are at Mr. Weenie's Waffles. Mr. Weenie's. Hey. Alright, we're about to go eat first and then come back and get it. Y'all, we stop at, I think it's called Yayo's. Is that how you say it? Yayo's. And we just ordered 10 shots the last day, so we going all out. You scared?
Gang.
Y'all scared? You scared?
I'm ready.
You scared?
Ready. I'm ready.
I'm scared. All right, so.
Woo! So this is day, I don't know, last day of year. Year 29.
I know you're not about to chase anymore.
Come on, y'all. Cheers, please. Happy birthday.
Oh no!
I had to get out the camera.
Got one more.
We got to eat back to back. No, we're going back to back. Let's go.
We play drink?
No, let's go.
I just tap it on the table and just take it back. All right.
Tap it. Alright.
We took our shot, so when our food comes, we'll show y'all. Okay guys, so we got our food and I got steak mofongo. She got stewed chicken and everyone else got the, what is that, steak and beans?
Steak and yellow rice.
Well, steak and yellow rice, and they got black beans.
My shit better not have beans.
And this is my first time having authentic, I guess, Puerto Rican dish. So let's try it. I'm a little scared.
No.
You got the same thing? It's okay.
But you
I would have got that.
You expected a whole steak. I could have took you.
No, you know, it's like, it said what?
It's really good. You want to try it? It's good, but I'm going to get that stewed chicken to go for later because
It's not spicy. Well, you know.
it's really good.
Can they make it spicy?
No, I don't think so.
You got a whole
It
onion.
smelled like a.
I know, I love onions. Did you know I love onions?
Types of curry.
Yeah. It's spicy.
What do you think? It's really good. Alright guys, so that's 2 for 2. We're about to eat and check back in a little bit. Y'all, the Uber driver let us get out so we can take a picture of Obama. Yes, look at Obama. Yes, look at Obama. Okay. All right, back to the car. Hey guys, so we made it back. We went to Old San Juan after we got done ziplining, and it was really nice. It was a different part that we went to the first day. We went down by like the caves, or I don't know what exactly it's called, but it was closed. I guess a lot of stuff was closed on Mondays, which is kind of weird. But we ate at Yayo's, or I could be completely saying it wrong, but we ate there, and then we went to Mr. Weenie's, and we all got little waffles, except for Kendra. She didn't get one. But it was like really sweet. I didn't even finish mine. It was just kind of just, you know, for the experience or whatever. And then we took some pictures in San Juan, Old San Juan, and then we came back here. When we got out, there's like 2 souvenir shops like right across the street from where we're staying. So we went in there and we got all our souvenirs. So yeah, I think the only thing left that a few of us want is the white Hennessy, and they say you get it at the airport. So maybe we can get some from the airport. And yeah, we're about to just spend the rest of the day on the beach and chill out and relax. And yeah, we'll probably drink a little bit more, finish a little bit of bottles that we got left, and just relax, make some TikToks. So if you don't follow me on TikTok already, just head over to CMonique. I want to say CMonique17, I think. I'm not completely sure. So yeah, ziplining was fun. If you ever come to San Juan, definitely go to the Rainforest and experience something. It was amazing. It was definitely a workout, so we definitely burned all our calories that we probably ate before we went. And I'm glad that we ate before we went, because we would have been out there just stuck, okay? Stuck. But yeah, this birthday trip has been amazing. just really amazing. This is actually like technically my first girls trip, so yeah, it's been lovely. So I think this is actually like the first time I think I went out of town for my birthday in my 29 years of being on this earth. So yeah, you know, you plan something and people back out at the last minute, whether it's a babysitter, money, whatever. But I'm so glad my cousin got to come, my cousin CASHAPP. I haven't seen her since 2012 at her grandma's funeral, so yeah, it's really good to see her, and I'll probably cry tomorrow. But yeah, we said we're gonna take more trips, and you know, I'll go up there and visit her more and stuff like that. So yeah, so I just want to give you guys an update. We're finna clean up a little bit and change and go down and spend the rest of the day on the beach. See you in a little bit.
Just push it.
Uh-oh. It won't go.
Kendra,
Just push it again. There's no reason why.
look at the lizard.
Y'all, we made it to the beach. Excuse my straps, but a girl got sunburned and it hurt. Ooh. Alright, we made it to the beach. The sun has went in, unfortunately, but I guess that's good, so we don't burn no more. But we about to get in the water, make some TikToks, and just chill for the rest of the day. Hey, Shay, get my mask!
Oh, you scared me.
Damn.
Right, I thought like she knew him.
We'll check back later. Hey y'all, it is, what time is it? 6:52 a.m. and we are packing up to leave. I'm so sad. It was really nice. This was like amazing. Here's the view. Sun just came up not too long ago, and yeah. So like I said, we're getting ready to leave. I'm wearing my hat I got here. I'm sunburned, but it was so worth it. This is definitely a birthday to remember, and I always cherish the fact that they had came and I got to spend time with my cousin. And that's not just like my cousin when I just be like, yeah, that's my cousin. No, like, that's my cousin. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to bring you guys along as much as I could, but at the same time, I also wanted to enjoy it. I didn't want to feel like, oh, I have to record this, or I have to record that. So I hope you guys got like a snapshot of what we did, or how much fun we actually really had. If you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, which I'll put it right here on the screen, then you would have seen like some of the stuff that didn't make it into the vlog. So if you ever come to San Juan, this is an Airbnb. I will link it below. It is nice. They had like a few ants or whatever, but other than that, I mean, it's the summer. So yeah, we're not too far from the airport, literally like not even 10 minutes. And our flight leaves at 9:16. It says it has no seats left, so hopefully we can get on. It's a 5.5-hour flight. Oh my God. That's literally the longest flight that I've ever taken. My skin is going crazy right now. I got bumps just popping. It's just, yeah. But I'm ready to get home and see my babies. I got them some stuff, of course. And I'm sad that my cousin is leaving. Where's she at? I don't know if you can see her in there. Come say bye. And they can't see you. You gotta.
Okay. Bye.
Say see you later.
See you guys later.
So, yeah, we're definitely gonna do this again. It's our first time traveling all together. I mean, I work with the other girls, obviously, but like actually traveling, we know we could travel with each other. So we're definitely gonna plan another trip. And yeah, Kendra actually has a birthday trip planned in October. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you ever come to San Juan, go to Mr. Weenie's. go to the rainforest and go zip lining, do ATV. They were sold out when we were here, so we didn't get to do it. But yeah, yesterday at the end of the day was pretty chill. We just kind of went down there to the pool and to the beach, and we made like a TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. But yeah, we just kind of chilled out. We came upstairs, showered, semi-packed, and we ate and just kind of talked. But then we all got sleepy and we went to sleep at like 11:30. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. If you're not new, thanks for coming back and continuously support me. I really do appreciate it. You know, it's not too late to send a birthday gift. You know, that Cash App in the description. I know, I'm just playing. But thank you guys. I love you so much. And see you on the next one. Peace.